Now at 4, a former daycare teacher who admitted to molesting kids will not serve time in prison. A judge sentenced him today to probation. News 6 first broke this story at noon. J. Rico Hamilton pleaded guilty in March to 3 counts of lewd and lascivious conduct. He taught at Bright Horizons Child Care and Learning Center in Orlando. News 6's Vanessa Ariza was in court today for his sentencing. She joins us live in studio. And Vanessa, victims' families spoke during today's sentencing.
They did, Lisa. In fact, 2 sets of parents made their statements, emotional ones at that, and said this has affected all aspects of their lives. After close to 2 years, the fate of former Bright Horizons school teacher J. Rico Hamilton was decided.
Against a victim who was under the age of 18 at the time of the offense.
In June of 2017, allegations of sexual abuse of his students began. 3 children told their parents they had been sexually abused by Hamilton. For close to 2 years now, families have gone back and forth through the court system. Today, finally putting an end to that. The parents of one victim went before a judge.
I'm not going to be able to talk much about our son. I'm going to let my wife do it. She's a little bit stronger.
He's sad. And 6-year-old little boys shouldn't be sad.
Per his sentencing, Hamilton is to serve 15 years probation as a sex offender. He's not to have any contact with the victims, their parents, or their families. And he's not to visit Baldwin Park, where Bright Horizons sits, or neighboring Audubon Park.
We appreciate the acceptance of responsibility. We wish you luck. I want you to understand that you've hurt us terribly. Hurt us terribly, but you have another opportunity in life, and you can still make a fulfilling life out of it.
The judge ordered Hamilton to wear a GPS monitor and check in with a probation officer within 24 hours of his release.
We do want the community to know that the school was irresponsible. They didn't do what they were supposed to do. They put our child at harm, other children at harm.
And Jeff Herman, an attorney for the victims, released this statement after today's sentencing, saying, quote, "Unfortunately for this child, it is a life sentence. Healing from abuse is a very long journey, but we are pleased the family has some measure of closure. We look forward to holding the school, Bright Horizons, accountable in the civil case." Now, there was another set of family in the courtroom today. They went before a judge, a victim, and his father telling the judge they wish that they could have addressed this years ago. We'll have more on that story coming up within the next hour. Ginger.
Vanessa, thank you.